Hi, hello everyone. Yeah, it's me again, Mariel, your math teacher. Happy to teach you. So, ayun na nga, kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you were all doing better. And kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, i-subscribe mo na yan and i-like yung video. And of course, dito nga ay gumagawa ako ng mga math tutorials for elementary and secondary. And of course, meron din tayong for senior high school. So, yun na nga, kung naghahanap ka ng mga math tutorials na madaling maintindihan, and of course, Tagalog nating ini-explain, iniisa-isang i-explain, syempre dito ka muna kay Ma'am Mariel and ituturo ko sa iyo, pwede ka mag-request ng mga math topics, kahit anong math lessons. I-comment mo lang yan dyan sa ating comment section and gagawa natin yan ng video. So, our lesson for this video is all about the parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, ituturo ko sa inyo yung iba't ibang conditions na na-create by these parallel lines na na-cut ng isang transversal. So, simulan natin sa parallel lines. So, parallel lines are lines that do not intersect. Okay? Or hindi nagtatagpo. Alright? So, yung sign ng ating parallel lines is ganyan. Ayan yung ating parallel lines. Hindi sila magtatagpo since kapag in-extend mo yan, both directions, ayan, extend mo both directions, never sila magmi-meet. Okay? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng parallel lines. While, transversal line. Transversal line is a line, ray, or segment that intersect two or more coplanar lines. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yung transversal lines, linya siya na nag-i-intersect sa dalawang linya. Okay, so take a look at this first example. As you can see, meron tayo ditong parallel lines. Line A and B are parallel lines. Why are they parallel? Because kapag in-extend mo yan, they do not intersect. So, parallel lines yan. And ito naman yung sinasabi nating transversal. This line is a transversal line. Bakit? In-intersect niya kasi yung dalawang parallel lines. Okay? Nag-intersect siya sa dalawang parallel lines or coplanar lines. Not necessarily mean parallel lines lang siya pwede. Basta coplanar lines, two or more. Okay? So, ito ang kanilang transversal. Meaning to say, or line A and B are intersected by line T. Therefore, line T is a transversal of line A and B. Okay? Si line T yung transversal ni A and B. So, ito yung parallel lines cut by a transversal. For the next figure, we have line C and line D. So, ito naman yung two coplanar lines, right? Hindi sila parallel. Why? Kasi kapag in-extend mo tong dalawang to, may chance na mag-intersect sila. Hindi nyo man makita yan dito, pero kapag in-extend mo yan, mag-intersect sila at one point. That's why, ito yung tinatawag nating non-parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay? So, line C and D are intersected by line M. Therefore, line M is a transversal of C and D. So, ganun lamang kasimple ang parallel lines and transversal line. Alright? So, yun na nga, balik tayo dito. Kapag yung dalawang parallel lines is na-cut ng transversal, makakapag-create sila each ng 4 angles. Ayan. 4 angles dito, 4 angles dito. So, take a look at this figure. We have here parallel lines cut by a transversal. Ito yung transversal line natin. Alright? We have 4 angles each. In total of 8 angles. Sa ganitong figure. Alright? So, dito na papasok yung tinatawag nating exterior and interior angles. Ayan na yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. All about those angles na na-formed using parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay? So, ang ating exterior angles are the blue one. Ang ating interior angles are the pink one. So, kapag sinabi nating exterior, from the word itself, exterior, sa labas. Ibig sabihin, sa labas ng ating parallel lines. Okay? So, kaya itong angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 is naka-color blue. Kasi sila ay nasa labas or sila yung tinatawag na exterior angles. Alright? Next naman is the interior angles. When we say interior angles, yan naman yung nasa loob. Nasa loob ng parallel lines. So, we have here the parallel lines and ito yung mga interior angles natin. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. So, sila naman yung nandito sa spaces in between the parallel lines. Okay? Sila yung tinatawag nating interior angles from the word itself, interior. Alright? I-discuss naman natin yung all about the alternate exterior angles, alternate interior angles. So, alternate exterior angles are two angles that lie outside parallel lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Opposite sides from the word itself, alternate. Okay? So, we have here angle 1. Ayan, angle 1. And angle 8. They are alternate exterior angles, opposite sides of the transversal. Nasa labas ng parallel lines and opposite side of the transversal. So, yun yung ating first pair of alternate exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 8. The second pair of our alternate exterior angles is angle 2 and angle 7. Ayan, nasa labas ng parallel lines and nasa opposite direction ng transversal. Ito yung transversal natin, remember, itong line na to. So, yun yung tinatawag nating alternate exterior angles. Okay? 1 and 8, angle 2, and angle 7. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na same side exterior angles. Ang same side exterior angles naman is two angles that lie outside parallel lines on the same side of the transversal. Nasa labas ng ating parallel lines and same side. Ibig sabihin, kung sa side na to, dito lang siya. Sa side na to, dito lang siya. So, we have also two pairs. Angle 1 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles. And angle 2 and angle 8 are same side exterior angles also. Kasi yan, no, nasa iisang side lang sila and sila yung angles na nasa labas ng ating parallel lines sa side na to. Si 1 and 7 naman sila yung angles na nasa labas ng ating parallel lines na nasa side na to. Magkabila ang side ni transversal line. Ganun lang kasimple yung alternate exterior angles and same side exterior angles. For the next one, we have the alternate interior angles. Same process lang no, ng alternate exterior angles. Ang pinagkaiba lang, we are to discuss the interior or sa loob na tayo. So, angle 3 and angle 6, ayan yan, angle 3 and angle 6, they are the alternate interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5, they are the alternate interior angles. Two pairs of alternate interior angles as kagaya lang din itong dalawa. Okay? So, same side interior angles, of course, 4 and 6. Ayan, angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 5. From the word itself lang, same side, alternate exterior, alternate interior. Ganun lamang kasimple. And of course, the next conditions is alternate exterior angles are congruent as well as alternate interior angles. They are congruent. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin, kung ang measure ng angle 1 is equal to 110 degree, angle 8 also measures 110 degree. They are congruent. Alright? And of course, dahil nga si same side exterior angles is equal to 180 degree, they are supplementary, okay? Supplementary angles naman tong same side natin. Both sila, same side exterior angles, same side interior angles, they are supplementary or equal to 180 degree yung measurement nila. So, like for example, angle 1 and angle 7. Kailangan yung dalawang angle na yon is mag-equal to 180 degree as well as sa same side interior angles. itong si angle 3, tsaka si angle 5, kailangan mag-i-equal sila to 180 degree. Okay? While sa alternate exterior angles and alternate interior angles, sila naman is congruent. Ibig sabihin, kung ano ang measurement ni angle 1, same sila ng measurement ni angle 8. Yan na nga, yung in-explain ko kanina, di ba? Si angle 1 is 110 degree, therefore, angle 8 is also 110 degree. Right? So, dito tayo kay angle 1 and angle 7. Since sila ay same side exterior angles, therefore, they are supplementary angles. Hindi congruent, okay? Kay alternate lang yon. So, if angle 1 is 110 degree, ayan, 110 degree, therefore, angle 7 is equal to 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Ayan, 70 degree. Therefore, angle 1 and angle 7 are supplementary since 110 plus 70 is 180. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, we have 110, 70 degree. So, by that, alamin naman natin yung ibang angles. Since si angle 7 ay 70 degree, and ang kanyang alternate exterior angles is si angle 2, therefore, si angle 2 ay 70 degree. Tama? Kasi di ba yung alternate exterior angles natin and alternate interior angles are congruent. Yung dalawang angles nila or yung pairs of angles, congruent sila. Okay? Huwag nyo kalilimutan. Ayan. For the next conditions, meron din tayong tinatawag na corresponding angles sa ating parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay? So, when we say corresponding angles, it is two angles that occupy corresponding positions. Dalawang angles na nag-occupy ng parehas na posisyon. Alright? So, meaning to say, hanapin natin dito kung ano-ano ba yung corresponding angles. So, syempre, unahin natin kay angle 1. We have angle 1. And of course, corresponding angles are congruent. Kung anong measurement ng angle na yun, ganun din yung measurement ng angle na correspond sa kanya. Alright? So, hanapin natin yung corresponding angles ni angle 1. We have angle 1 in here. And, alin ba yung angles na same position ni angle 1? Diba si angle 5? Since parehas silang nandito, ganyan yung kanilang position. Okay? Angle 1 and angle 5 is in the same position. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 5 and they correspond to each other. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Hanapin natin yung iba pa. Si angle 2, alin ba yung ka-same position niya? Diba si angle 6? Tama? Hindi naman si angle 8, hindi din si angle 7. Same position lang. Okay? So, we have angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. Ayan, angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. Next, meron pa syempre. Meron tayong 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Right? So, try natin si angle 3. Alin ba yung ka-same position ni angle 3? Of course, dahil ito yung paganitong angle, alin ba yung paganitong angle din dito sa side na to? Diba si angle 7? Ayan siya, angle 7. Right? So, therefore, angle 3 is congruent to angle 7. Kung anong measurement ni angle 3, ganun din kay angle 7. Alright? And then, the last pair is we have angle 4 and it corresponds to angle 8. Alright? Angle 8. So, ganun lang kasimple. Corresponding angles siya. Sila yung pairs of angles na nagko-corresponds or nag-occupy ng same position dito sa ating parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, ganun lamang kasimple. Okay, so from all those conditions, let us try to get all the angles or all the measurement of these angles using alternate exterior angles, alternate interior angles, same side exterior angles, and same side interior angles, and corresponding angles. Yun lang yung pagbabasehan natin, okay? Yung mga alternate interior exterior angles natin, remember, they are congruent. While the same side exterior and interior angles, remember, they are supplementary or equal to 180 degree yung dalawang angles. while si corresponding angles naman, they are congruent. Okay? For example, we have angle 1 as 100 degree. Ayan. How are we going to find angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8 using those conditions na na-create ni parallel lines cut by a transversal? Okay. Unahin natin doon sa kay 100 degree na si angle 1. Si angle 1, ang alternate exterior angle niya is si angle 8. Right? Therefore, angle 1 and angle 8 are congruent. Okay? So, 100 degree din siya. Tama? Remember, we have the same side exterior angle since nasa labas tayo, di ba? Ni parallel lines. Therefore, exterior yung pinag-usapan natin. Same side exterior angles. Ano ba yung sinasabi ni same side exterior angles? Two angles that are supplementary or equal to 180 degree. Tama? So, kung si angle 1, sino ba yung same side exterior angles ni angle 1? Di ba si angle 7? Okay, therefore, dapat yung total ng angles nila is equal to 180 degree, right? So, yun. Ima-minus lang natin si 180 kay 100. So, 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. And yun na. Si angle 7 is equal to 80 degree since 180 degree. Since they are supplementary. Tama? And dahil dyan, alamin na natin kagad yung angle 2. Of course, congruent sila. So, we have 80 degree as well. Right? Okay. So, paano naman, ma'am, yung mga angles na nasa loob or yung interior angles? Paano natin mahanap yung measurement nila? Eh, wala namang basis kung ano yung measurement na given. Siyempre, dito naman papasok si corresponding angles. Tama? Corresponding angles are congruent. So, kung anong measurement ni angle 1, ganun ang measurement ni angle 5 or nung ka-correspond nila. So, si angle 1, it corresponds to angle 5. Therefore, they are congruent. Therefore, angle 5 is also equal to 100 degree. Tama? And of course, si angle 2 corresponds to angle 6. Si angle 2 ay 80 degree. And sabi sa corresponding angles, they are congruent. Therefore, si angle 6 is also 80 degree. Alright? And then, doon naman natin, i-apply naman natin si alternate interior angles. Sino pa ang ka-alternate interior angle ni angle 6? Diba si angle 3? Tama? And they are also congruent. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to 80 degree. And since ang ka-alternate interior angles ni angle 5 is si 4, therefore, angle 4 is 100 degree. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. I-apply lang natin yung conditions, maalin sa kanila gamitin nyo as long as makuha nyo yung measurements ng hinahanap natin. Ganun lang sila kasimple. Okay, so yun na nga. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. And if you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your friends. And of course, always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel, your math teacher. Happy to teach you.